Hi everyone, no tray in this video for today. What I've been up to this weekend is putting the new internet into 41 here because it's taking too long to upload the videos once I get them done. So I'm just going to show you a little video of what I've been up to, and hopefully we'll get some videos uploaded a bit quick after this. So just stick around, have a quick look. If you're not bothered, just swipe away. See you in a bit. Hey, look at that. Bloody shocking. So I'm going to bring the cable from the shed up through the corner of his window down there, up through the corner of the roof, then along where the wire comes out in my room for the cameras. But he best get rid of all his shite first. Come on, son. You clean that up. I'll drill the window. How, son? Get a move on.
Oh, there's a spider somewhere.
Choppity chop, snippity snip. I've got a try to do. So I've stuck a hole in the corner. I think the wife might get a bit of crackers, mightn't she, kidding?
Probably.
Who cares? He who dares wins. So just need to get the wire up now. We have a holie in the window. Oh no. I've stuck a piece of rubber out the window so I can pull the wire up. So there's the cable which I've got off scuff. There you go, I've got it taped to the gasket that I out the window. I just need to get it up into the router. Plus I've got a little helper. I'm on my ass. Are you helping us put the cable in? So I just brought it down where the camera wires is, down to the router ready to be plugged in. Have the wire loose for now, plenty of slack on. Hold on to the down pipe once I get some clips. One along the back, through the corner of the window in the shed.
With you, I'm heavy breathing. Feels like I'm lucid dreaming. I'm not usually the type to rush into the night. This time I can't be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, my knees on the floor. I'm begging for more. It's you I adore. You took me to see Versailles in the middle of July. I'm falling to the deep end, giving into my feelings, afraid to go on this ride. I'm scared to crash inside.
It's a bit long to go around the fence, like it drops down a bit. I've got some metal clips sent over, screw into the shed. Nearly done. I'm just on wiring the connectors up now for the lead. A little bit of a nightmare, but I'll get it. And there we have it. Right, hope it works.
Deep end, giving into my feelings, afraid to go on this ride. I'm scared to crash inside. This time I might be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more.
So while I'm waiting, I'm going to make a little short network lead. So I can just come from the box to the PC. Dee. Right, the fiddly bit. I think that's right. Did just double check before I squish it all down together. We have one side done, one more to do. Yeah. Will she or won't she? Let's see if it works, huh? We have our lead we made earlier. Like Blue Peter. Here's the one I made earlier. Change your bugger. There we have it. Tinternet. Seems to be working. Let's do a test. Watch me the same, I'll be sick as out. No, that's a bit better. Now we're talking, folks. Now we're talking. What's the upload like? Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Now that's a lot better. Happy days. We've got some proper internet in 41 here now, boys and girls. So that was just a video showing you what I've been up to get the internet into the shed. So 41 here can thrive a bit quicker than what it was. Because as you've seen by the speed test, it was a bit crap. So hopefully that should be it for now. So thanks for sticking with us, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-ra, folks!